Rising, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe or Joelle or Joe Phoenix. If you know me or don't know me, that's who I am. You can check me out on Instagram, Joe_Phoenix with 2 X's. And today we're vlogging a country run. I'm gonna go pick up one of my besties, Chrissy. We were besties since high school. It's been a while, it's been a minute. It's been a long time. But we're going on a bestie date today, and we're going into nature to the parish of St. Andrew, where one of our mutual friends, Joachim, he's a vegan chef, and he is throwing down a pot on a farm. So it's a farm to table vegan experience, and I will be taking you along the journey with me. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Met up with bestie. Hi. This is Chrissy. This is YouTube. This is Chrissy. So it's gonna be a girlfriend's day, and we're gonna go adventure around in the country and eat some good food. Oh, yeah. Let's go. I don't even know where we're going. Right. So we think we're here. Now we're gonna try to find other humans. I hear animals. I hear animals, yeah. I see flies, therefore there's either pigs over there or rabbits or something. Oh, piggies. Oh, Lord have mercy. Phew. Cute but stank. At the Eitel cabin in St. Andrew. I think this is Adelphi. Not too sure. We alright. We're in the bush, so no rules. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Fresh water, straight from earth. It tastes sweet. Going to get some herbs in the farm now.
Alright, so hi everyone again. We have. Let me just quick question.
Look, come on down. Come and pick some herbs. Learn some herbs from Marcus, the professional.
So we have some Italian, or some people call it Spanish thyme.
Spanish time?
Yeah. Also, too, we need y'all to have some of this for the food.
You?
It's amazing. Yes, Spanish thyme is amazing. Some extensive research. Yes, oregano is, I feel like more the Caribbean name for it, but it's a part of the thyme family.
Okay. But I see one that I have from selling in.
Smells so good. So apparently you can eat the flower.
So
If you could see that.
usually it's only about.
Oh, it tastes like mint. Oh.
So much. Like moist? Who said that? You sure just a white thing? Sing it to me. It's like an aftertaste.
No bueno. I do not like.
Oh no, that is just. Yeah, rosemary is amazing. Rosemary, again, if you could drink a cup of rosemary every day for the rest of your life, please do.
So steep it, you mean?
Steep it, yeah. Alright.
When it's dry or
When it's dry.
So you hang it upside down in the kitchen or something to dry it?
Honestly, I just kind of
Leave it on the counter?
rest
Just
it.
stay there? Let me just say that, right?
Yes, sit there and dry.
Yeah,
Also, to some people, dry it to the you get it really dry, and you put in coconut oil, a bottle of coconut oil. Best for your hair, best for your skin. That's actually what's
infused.
That's what I use my skin. Coconut oil, citronella, rosemary, and lavender. That's what's put on my skin. Anything else in the
It's also natural.
I don't think anybody here is pregnant, but pregnant ladies, right? This is one of the, how should I put this, boy? Food for the belly. Literally. Right? You want to open it? Yeah, so, alright, so this part here, you rip it open.
This is edible.
This is the edible part, right?
And then I think when you pull all the way down, you get
Right.
like a white heart inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that part you can chop up.
Yeah,
And
chop up and eat
I think
as
you
well.
you soak it, and then I think you boil it like a few times to get out the bitterness. If you want to get rid of
What
all
you could do is,
and then you
you
use it to
soak it
cook
with a
afterwards.
little baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yeah, soak it in a little baking soda, and then you squeeze it out. So you squeeze out all the bitterness.
That's the white thing.
Yeah, this.
Are these ones
this.
the baby
Even
ones?
with the white inside,
So those look like
right?
baby
And you
bananas.
squeeze it all out, and then, like I say, you could cut it up. Think about like cabbage after that. Amazing
No, not
coconut
really, no.
milk. When you stew it down with some ginger, that's my favorite. Just saying. But also too, I love it in smoothies, raw, with some kale, some banana, and ginger. I love ginger. Ginger is life. It's great. That somebody say that.
Yeah.
How to use it? It's just like
Just-
eating the kale.
Just like take. Let's say you make a salad.
It smells so good.
Yeah. So that.
Hey. Don't worry, they won't do anything.
No, it's just a frog.
Thank you. Look what I got. A strawberry.
Now they.
I haven't had a strawberry in so long.
I need to start. So look, I have a few coming in. You just cannot really take care of them. I've just. In the next 2 weeks, I'll have some sweet potatoes.
Have you ever tried the sweet potato vine?
Let's see.
Ta-da!
There you go.
Oh, that's
Perfect.
pretty. Good job. That's pretty. That's pretty. That's very pretty.
Right. So you see this? There are roots and everything inside. Right. And you want, so this there are 2 leaves here. So the center leaf, you keep the center leaf on. Yeah, move on. I mean,
Oh,
this is one. If you put it on a few still.
Blue vervain.
Move a vein.
Blue vervain.
Blue. Okay.
Yeah.
Who coming on this table here?
Okay, what type of mushrooms are these again?
Big ones.
That works.
REMINI. Yeah.
Y'all are hilarious. So that's safe to eat like that.
Yes, they know that mushrooms.
I thought
Marcus, I feel better eat your next time. You seeing it?
That smells good, boy. What?
Every little bit.
Nothing to
And
it.
anything that's savour, we ain't even washing this pot. We're going straight in with Carol.
Oh, we're doing Carol.
Yeah,
Right.
cook.
Need more?
Put more in the onions. Yeah. And next it, yeah. One more again.
Callaloo is bubbling. There's the Tanya there. Wish I could smell this.
I wish I could sense through the internet. I kid you not.
Imagine me too, you know. Oh God, this smells good.
I'm
This is some good food.
You should be here.
You guys have to come and experience this one day, like in the bush with this guy here on his farm.
Yep.
Throw down in the fire back there,
the best.
and you just sit down and eat, sit down on the ground and eat your food with this view. Look at that. Could you ask for anything more? No. Abundance all around us. Ashe and blessings. Ashe and blessings. We just got to the little river, Ravine. Take a dip. I have a little bit of content to shoot for a skincare hair care brand that I'm probably gonna shoot here. I walked barefoot because why not? A lot of grounding, earthing, and I can stay here for the rest of the day. Just had a nice cold dip in the river back there. Hi! It was so cold. It was like an ice bath, but it was an amazing day. It's a great way to end it off. About to hike back up this little hill with my no shoe self and get going. See you later! This is where chocolate comes from. Must come here, must come here, must come here in Grenville on the way down. Must come here. Homemade ice cream. I'm getting soursop and nutmeg. Chrissy's getting nutmeg and chocolate. And it's Grenada chocolate. Homemade. Please come check out this place. Please come check out this place. Taste of heaven ice cream, locally produced. Say I sent you. Delicious. So good. How is the combo? Yeah. Sour up and nutmeg, chocolate and nutmeg.
Grenada chocolate.
Chef's kiss.
Yep.
What a perfect end to the day. Not me walking around barefoot still in the people them road.